Hi guys, in this video I'm going to talk about my business, where I'm at with my business, what I've been doing, Clickfunnels, Top Earner Mentor and my video marketing agency. And I've also got a dilemma, a big problem. I might need your help with it guys. Stay tuned. Hi, welcome to Building My Empire. I'm Jay Roberts and I share videos about my journey, things I'm doing right, things I'm doing wrong, making mistakes, learning from mistakes, hopefully so then you don't make those mistakes. I share videos on how to make money online and offline and hopefully to help you build your empire. So I've not done as many videos as I liked. I used to do one a day, and I did a challenge of doing 90 videos, like one video a day for 90 days. I didn't succeed. I got to something like 60 or something like that. So yeah, I've not done any for a while. I've done like reviews, but I've not done any like this kind of video. I've been absolutely swamped. I've took on a lot of stuff, and I'm not complaining. So I started promoting Clickfunnels back in January this year. I'm still 100% behind it. I think it's an amazing tool that businesses need. Is it perfect? No, it's not perfect, but it's by far the best in its business. So I highly recommend it, guys. As you know, you can do lots of stuff with it. It helps with your business, like for instance, building sales funnels, bridge pages, lead pages. You can build it's like a website. You can build courses with it. You can do quite a lot with it, guys. You need it. You want to be collecting email addresses, collecting leads, don't you, for building business? Yeah, they say the money is in the list, and if you're using Clickfunnels to capture leads, you're going to build your list, yeah. And then you can use Clickfunnels and an autoresponder to promote to your leads with any future offers. So yeah, I'm 100% behind it, guys. I might not have done as much as I wanted to do recently. I've lost a few affiliate sign-ups, so that means I'm losing money. I've lost a bit of money. I've still got some coming in each month from it, so still happy days. And I'm also still being mentored by Zach Crawford. Yeah, he's continually adding value in the group. I love Top Earner Mentor. It's one of the best trainings I've ever seen. Anything you want to learn in this business, anything you want to learn to be successful in this business, you definitely need to get on this course and check it out, guys. He's currently offline for the next couple of weeks as he's redoing it all, and he's tweaking it, updating it, adding more value, adding more surprises to it, guys. He's actually told me what it is. I can't exactly tell you what it is yet, but it's awesome, guys. Whereas before you could earn lots of you can earn lots of money, you can earn lots of prizes, and basically happy days for yourself. This time it's even better, guys. So stay tuned. I will be posting a link in the description. Not this one. Well, I will post it in this one, but like in a couple of weeks' time, guys. Yeah. Yeah. So highly recommend Clickfunnels and or Top Earner Mentor. They're both different. They're not together. You don't work one on one. You can either have one or the other. They're totally different, guys. One's a learning program, which is Top Earner Mentor, and there's other ways you can make money, other things you can do, and Clickfunnels is a tool what you need for businesses. Yeah. So what else, guys? Oh yeah, my agency. So yeah, I'm in the process, guys, of starting a video marketing agency, which I'm gonna be creating videos, and I'm gonna be basically helping local businesses rank on Google, rank on YouTube, also to promote the business. Yeah, get them seen, get them out there, help them out, give them that little boost. Because not everyone's got time to do all that, have they, guys? So, and I like all that kind of stuff. I like being geeky, I like being creative. So, what better way? Help someone out, yeah? Help a business out. And some of the videos what I've been creating are explainer videos, 3D videos, whiteboard videos, logos, ads, hotspot videos, guys, which is a very clever idea. Basically, what I do, especially for e-commerce people, yeah, I create a video, and it could be any video, and I can create hotspots on the around the screen. So when you say, for instance, you're promoting, say for instance, I'm promoting these knives, yeah. Not a good example, but it's not okay. Say for instance, I'm promoting that first aid box up there. I can put a hotspot to that, yeah. So you can click it, and then it'll take you to another page on the screen, guys, yeah. So you don't have to scroll down. You can click the screen, and it will take you, yeah. Now it's not touch screen, my phone, so that wouldn't work. But if you've got your mouse, your cursor over it, yeah. Or if you're watching it on your, actually, yeah. If you're watching it on your mobile, it probably will work. I'm gonna have to test that out, but it's a hotspot, guys. I can put multiple ones on your videos. Yeah, I'm gonna make some examples. I've actually got some on the computer, but I'm not gonna put it on this video. And yeah, it's a clever idea, guys. So especially if you're in the e-commerce or and you're selling products, you can just advertise them on your screen, and then it brings up like a little description of them, and you can click on it, and it'll take you to the page. Yeah. So that's just some of them. There's many more to come. Whatever type of video you want, guys, I can create it. And what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to make and create a website, yeah, or like a funnel website kind of thing. And I want to like showcase all the different videos I do. And it's not only videos. I'm going to help them with SEO. I'm going to help them create funnels. I'm going to help them create websites. I also offer hosting. So if you want hosting, guys, and you don't want to go to Bluehost or SiteGround or I don't know, HostGator or anything like that, come to me, guys. I can provide hosting. It runs very well, and it's probably cheaper than what you can get it for. And then you'll have continued support of me. But other than that, guys, other stuff I can help them with is mainly, guys, getting them out there, getting them seen, ranking on Google, ranking on YouTube, yeah, promoting ads for them, getting in the top 3 of Google, yeah, guys, which I'm kind of excited for, guys, because it's a lot of creative stuff, and although it's hard work and it's a lot of sleepless nights, I mean, look at the state of me. Bags under the eyes, scruffy, going grey, all good, guys. Yeah, it's going to be worth it, guys. So all these sleepless nights and stress, and it's not stress, it's actually, I actually enjoy it, guys. It's geeky and I love it. So yeah, it's an exciting time for me, and it brings me to my problem, guys. I have a problem. I like to be creative, but I am stuck. Right, and this is where I need your help. Basically, let's put the camera down, guys. Look at this, everyone's a geek. I've got my Superman t-shirt on. I'm creating an agency, yeah, a video marketing agency, and I need a name. I've not got a name for it, guys. Now, do I go down the personal brand where I call it something like, I don't know, JR Productions, Jay's Videos, Jay's Video Agency, things like that, or do I create something generic like I don't know, something creative like, I don't know, so then later on in life, if the boys want to take over my business or even come working with me, it's not just about me, because it's not about me, guys. There's gonna be people working for me, yeah. There'll be people might be joining me, help, like, I don't know, like partners and that. So I don't know if they call it my name, because I'll be the one who's creating it, running it, and then eventually sort of like joining up with people, or my boys helping me and joining in, or do I go down the generic route and just call it like not a random name, but like a name, and then build it up from that? I don't know, guys. So comment down below, guys, and let me know your thoughts. What should I call it? Give me some ideas, please, but sensible ideas, please. I mean, I love lions, yeah. I love the king. I love king, yeah. That's why if you look at my other channel, Movies, Games, Beyond, it's a picture of a lion with a crown on it, yeah, guys. So I like that kind of stuff. So if you can think of a cool name, what might have king or lion in the title, and we can't call it Lion King, guys, because we'll get sued by Disney, and I ain't got that much money yet. So if you can help me out, guys, I'd really appreciate it. So that being said, guys, yeah, so that being said, guys, I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to cut it short. I don't know how long I've been on, actually, guys. Probably about 15 minutes. Please comment below, and if you're new to the channel and you like this kind of stuff, especially the make money part, please subscribe and hit the notification bell, guys, so then you'll get notified when I next release videos. And I'm going to try promoting more videos, because before I go, I'll just show you. That's my chart now, guys. That was on Sunday. That I didn't do. This is pretty much this video now. It's not called mistakes, but I always call it mistakes, because that's where I started off. And that's it, guys. That's all there is for this week. Probably all there is for the last couple of weeks. So I do plan on making more videos, and hopefully I'll be back to making regular videos, and hopefully the channel will grow. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I'm Jay Roberts. This is Building My Empire, helping you to build yours. Until next time, guys, goodbye.